Do you translate every sentence first? That habit makes English much harder. Your brain waits before speaking. Today, you will change that habit. These 5 daily exercises work. They are simple and effective. Practice them every single day. Soon, English feels completely natural. Start by looking around yourself. Notice every object nearby. Say each name in English. Never translate inside your mind. Then make short, easy sentences. Describe what you can see. Keep everything very simple. Your brain learns through repetition. Repeat this exercise everywhere. Practice inside and outside daily. Now, begin talking with yourself. It feels strange at first. Soon it becomes comfortable. Describe everything you are doing. Talk while making breakfast. Talk while cleaning your room. Talk while walking outside. Nobody judges your mistakes. That builds real confidence. Simple practice creates better fluency. Speak every single day. Next, stop translating new words. Connect every word with pictures. Imagine clear scenes instead. Your brain remembers images faster. Pictures create stronger memories. Learning becomes easier naturally. Every new word feels familiar. This habit trains your mind. Soon understanding becomes automatic. English starts feeling natural. Now improve your listening skills. Choose easy English videos first. Listen very carefully always. Pause after every sentence. Repeat every sentence immediately. Copy pronunciation speed and emotion. Keep practicing until comfortable. Easy content builds confidence. Difficult lessons reduce motivation. Stay consistent every day. Small improvements become big results. Finally, live small moments completely in English. Think while brushing your teeth. Think while eating meals. Think while walking outside. Describe everything around you. Keep your thoughts simple. Never fear small mistakes. Every sentence strengthens your brain. Every day brings progress. Fluency grows through consistency. One day something amazing happens. You answer naturally without translating. That moment changes everything. Start these exercises today. Stay patient and never quit. Your future self will thank you.